Alright guys, I've had several people ask me how I got these fog lights mounted up. This is a Axia alloy universal mount. And I've just got the wires zip tied along the back side of the crash bar. Up underneath the bike is where the pre-wired Harley plug is at for the fog lights. So you plug it in there. You can get into your bike, into the infotainment. You're going to go to settings, system, bike function setup, hit continue. Then you're going to come in here and turn that fog light option on. Once you do that, this icon with the motorcycle will be illuminated or activated basically. If you come into it, there's a fog light option in there now.